In this video, we're going to show you how you can delete iCloud photos. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving the video a like. Photos can take up a lot of iCloud storage, so clearing them out can help free up space. To get started, actually go ahead and open up your Settings app on your device. Tap the name up at the very top in order to access your Apple ID settings, and then select iCloud just like so. As you can see, my iCloud storage is completely full, so let's remove some photos to make room. You'll want to go ahead and open up a web browser, and then from here, go ahead and navigate to iCloud.com. Once you're here, go ahead and tap sign in. It's going to prompt you to sign in with your iCloud account. And you can just verify using Face ID, passcode, or just sign in with your Apple ID and passcode. It doesn't really matter. But after you do log in, you're going to want to go ahead and hit OK and tap the little app grid up at the very top and find photos. Simply go ahead and select on that, and from here you just need to scroll through your library and find pictures that you would like to go ahead and remove. For example, I see this picture right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and then delete it just like so. Now you can also mass delete them. It makes it a little bit easier, but it really is as simple as that. But that's it. Your selected photos are going to be removed from iCloud, helping you reclaim that storage space. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe.